Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen analyzer. An oxygen analyzer is a vital tool that precisely measures the amount of oxygen present in a gas. It employs a specialized sensor to detect oxygen molecules, delivering highly accurate readings across a wide range, from very low levels up to 100%. These instruments are indispensable in many fields, ensuring safety and quality control in medical, diving, and industrial environments. Calibration is a critical first step for reliable results. Begin by performing a two-point calibration. First, expose the sensor to clean room air, which contains approximately 20.9% oxygen, and adjust the reading. Next, introduce a certified 100% oxygen source. Allow the analyzer to stabilize for at least 2 to 3 minutes at each point before confirming the calibration. Remember to recalibrate if you change locations or environmental conditions. Once calibrated, taking a measurement is straightforward. Connect the analyzer's sample line securely to your gas source. It is important to maintain a consistent gas flow rate, typically around 1 to 2 standard cubic feet per hour, to ensure proper sampling. Allow the gas to flow through the system for 2 to 3 minutes to purge any residual air. Then, simply read the stable oxygen concentration displayed on the analyzer's screen. Proper care extends your analyzer's lifespan and maintains its accuracy. Routinely verify the sampling gas flow rate and inspect all seals, gaskets, and filters for any signs of wear or damage, replacing them promptly. Always store your analyzer in a clean, dry place, away from excessive humidity, to protect its internal components. For detailed maintenance schedules and sensor replacement instructions, always consult your specific analyzer's manufacturer manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.